These are the C30i from Soundcore. When you open the box, you will be greeted with the Quick Start Guide. You can scan the included QR code to get the complete guide. When you first open the headphones, you'll be greeted with a sticker indicating the front of the earbud. The front of the earbud has a 12 by 17 millimeters runway driver to deliver clear sound, and the back has built-in touch controls. To wear the earbud, first clip it to the thinnest point of your ear and then move up or down to adjust for optimal audio performance. If the earbuds feel insecure, then you can use one of the included ear grips to adjust the fit. To use the grip, simply place it on the back side of the earbud. Even with the grips attached, the earbuds still fit comfortably within the case. The C30i have up to 10 hours of playtime and 30 hours with the case. Don't settle for ordinary sound, elevate your listening experience with the Soundcore C30i.